You can change the fitness tracker that Move is connected to whenever you like. Simply launch the Move app, then tap on Settings in the bottom right corner. On your account page, tap on Change Device. Be sure you've updated the data from your old device before you select a new one. Pick the new fitness tracker you want to connect to. Different trackers require different steps. You'll receive a prompt to set up your new fitness tracker. Depending on the kind of device, you may need to log into your account with the device's manufacturer. Give Move permission to use your health data and tap on Allow. If you're connecting through Samsung Health or Apple Health, you might see the option to connect different devices. If you're not sure which is your new device, pick the one with the most recent data. You can always change this again later. And that's it! You can carry on using Move and your new device will be the source of your health data from now on.